Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gonna study the excretory system of a man. Excretory system or the urinary system of man. So the excretory system or urinary system consists of four basic organs that are kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and a tubular urethra. Now let's discuss the location of the kidney. The main part of excretory system of a man is kidney, and these are all the suborgans. The location is it lies on the either sides of vertebral column. You all might know what's vertebral column. And between the 12th lumbar vertebra. Lumbar vertebra is the type of vertebral column, bones in the vertebral columns. Okay, now let's discuss the suborgans of the excretory system. The first organ that comes is ureter. Each ureter is a tubular organ about 25 centimeter long, which begins at the funnel-shaped renal pelvis. I'll tell you what is renal pelvis. It means that it is an elongated tube which has its length 25 centimeter and it extends downward. It means that it is in a gravitational position. It extends downwards parallel to the vertebral column to join the urinary bladder. It transports urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. It is a transportation organ. It is also a transportation organ. Transportation organ, its length is 25 centimeter, has elongated shape. Okay, so the next is urinary beta. Now urinary beta is a hollow and distensible muscular organ. It means that it is expandable, it is flexible. In a muscular organ, it is located within a pelvic cavity. It serves as a urine reservoir. Is a distensible, which means flexible, distensible or flexible, hollow, muscular organ. Now the noticeable thing is that it is a urine reservoir, which means that it stores the made up urine. That is the reason it is flexible or distensible, because there are times when storage gets high, storage gets low, so it adjusts its flexibility accordingly. So that is why the urinary bladder is a distensible, flexible organ of the excretory system. Now the next is urethra. Urethra is again a tube. It is a tube and it conducts the urine to urinary bladder to the outside of the body. It conducts urine from urinary bladder to outside the body. Okay? It is a tube and it conducts urine from urinary bladder. It takes the urine from urinary bladder and throws it out of the body. So now we are gonna discuss the main and very basic function of excretory system, which is kidney. So first we'll discuss two things in this topic: structure and function of kidney with diagram. So let's start. So before starting the deep down detail of the structure of kidney, let's see this basic diagram that I've drawn. This is the whole excretory system of a man. I'll label it and you may note down. So these two veins are aorta. They take the blood. They take the blood and then take it away from the body. So this is aorta. So this blue vein is renal artery. Okay, so this one's vena cava. Now this blue vein is renal vein. This one is ureter, obviously. Now this hollow shaped structure is bladder. This pointing shape organ is urethra, and this obviously is a kidney, a bean shaped kidney.